Hi guys, I decided to make a sort of mind map using an online program, which is MindMeister. You can use it if you want, mindmaster.com. So try it; it's quite nice. So I have prepared a mind map of the vocabulary you find in the text: the food, the good, the bad, and the really ugly. The text we read this morning in class on page 30. And as you can see, I divided the vocabulary into four main groups actually: nouns, adjectives, verbs, and finally compound nouns. Okay, so let's have a look together. I'm going to start the presentation now. All right, so this should be the title. It's a good idea to make notes. So if you want, you can draw this mind map in your notebooks. I think it's useful. Let's have a look at the vocabulary now, and we're going to start with nouns. Okay, the nouns I highlighted are the ones in orange. So you've got nouns like health, salute. You can derive two adjectives, okay, from this noun: healthy, in salute, sano, and unhealthy, ok, che non è sano, ok, che fa male alla salute. Environment, ambiente. Environmental is the adjective, ambientale, so notice the ending, al. Packaging. Packaging means confezione. The packaging of a product can be made of plastic or paper, for example. You can derive a verb, to package, okay, or an adjective, packaged, impacchettato, confezionato, confezionato. Okay, another interesting noun is label. Label means etichetta. You can also have an adjective, labeled, etichettato. Pollution. Pollution means inquinamento. You can have two adjectives coming from pollution, which is polluted and polluting. Okay? Inquinato, inquinante. Okay, let's move on and let's have a look at the adjectives. We've got a great variety of adjectives in this text, but we can focus on only some of them. Energy efficient, ok? Efficiente dal punto di vista energetico, quindi che non fa consumare energia. Eco-friendly, ok? Amico dell'ambiente, quindi verde noi diremmo. Guilty, guilty, to feel guilty, sentirsi in colpa, quindi guilty significa colpevole. Frozen, you can have frozen chips, frozen pizza, frozen food, frozen vegetables. It means congelato. Fresh, fresh fruit, for example, or fresh vegetables, verdura fresca, frutta fresca. And seasonable. Seasonable means in season, di stagione. Notice that in English we say in season or seasonable. Let's have a look at the verbs. The interesting verbs are transport, you remember the accent is here, and produce, the accent is here. You can have nouns coming from the verb produce, like produce, produce, la produzione, or production, sempre produzione, they are synonyms, okay? Then you have to grow. To grow means coltivare. Grow up, crescere, grow, coltivare qualcosa. So grow is a transitive verb. You can grow vegetables, you can grow, I don't know, you can grow tomatoes if you want, whatever. You can't grow pizza, unfortunately, but I'm sure that someone of you is thinking about it. Okay, refrigerate, congelare, congelare. Throw away, gettare via, buttare via. Recycle, riciclare, so you can have the adjective recycled, riciclato, and reduce, ridurre. The noun is reduction, riduzione. Okay, let's have a look now at the compound nouns, which are, some of the most interesting words phenomena we have in English. So, recycling center, centro di riciclaggio, global warming, riscaldamento globale, greenhouse gases, gas serra, ricordate la serra è la casa verde, dicevamo stamane, checklist, questo l'abbiamo già visto, to make a checklist, fare una checklist, fare una lista della spesa, food label, label l'abbiamo già visto prima, tra i nomi e significa etichetta, quindi le etichette alimentari, food miles, questa è un'espressione interessante, sono le miglia, i chilometri del cibo, cioè le distanze che i cibi percorrono per arrivare sulla nostra tavola. Okay, guys, I hope it was useful and see you very soon. Bye bye.